Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. A
Take it
wretch
to the limit. Take it
like
to the limit, the Eagles.
me, I once was lost, and now am found. Was blind, but now I see. CK Life Diary. Thank you, CK. Thank you so much for being here. I know you're busy working. The grace that taught my
Hello,
heart
CK. Thank you so much for passing
pure,
by me inside.
and grace my fears relieve. How precious is that grace appeared the hour I
Praying
first
ako sa iyo, CK, yung 1 hour mo.
through
Work mode.
many dangers, toils, and snares. I have already come. His grace had brought me safe thus far, and grace will lead me home. The Lord has promised good to His word, my hope secure. He will my shield and portion as long as life endures. Even this flesh and heart shall fail, and mortal life shall flee. I shall possess within the veil a life of joy and peace. The earth shall soon dissolve the snow, the sun forbear to shine, but God who brought me here below will be forever mine. When we've been through 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun, we've no less days to sing God's praise than what we first began. Amazing grace, how sweet the
Thank you.
sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. It's a long song and it has the same tune throughout. So it becomes a little boring to sing. Thank you, Benito. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, CK. Thank you, Sarala. Thank you, Pita.